Auntie Ji, this one's for you.
Assalamu alaikum, Sastrikal, Game Cho, Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. And let's not forget the goldfish. It's Auntie Ji Sam here. And no, I'm not on Radio Avaz FM, sadly, just now. I will be back in the summer, but here I am getting filmed. Yes, I have got a special little film just for you.
Hello, Auntie Ji Sam, I can't believe you're here. Oh, very nice to meet you.
Excuse me, who are you?
You forgot me.
Yes, I'm trying to forget you actually.
What have we done?
Well, last time we met,
Yes.
you dumped me.
Let's forget the past. You know, it's Valentine's coming and I can make you happy.
Wait a minute. You dumped me last time it was Valentine's because there was an experiment that didn't work. And now you're saying you're going to make up for it.
I'm sorry, you know how crazy I'm about science and that's the priority in my life.
He dumped me for science. Can you believe that? He dumped
I love
me.
science.
Look how much grey I've got because he dumped me for science. And now you're saying you're going to make up for it.
So what about change your mind now, just making something that I know you really love?
What, you do actually remember what I used to love?
I do remember, you love bath bomb.
Bath bombs.
Yes?
Bath bombs?
Yes. See, I told you.
Oh, okay.
Look at the smile.
Okay.
So
You
let's
need to make up for this
what
for
we
years.
have. We're starting from here. So we have
Okay.
food coloring.
Yep.
We have citric acid. That's a food grade. You can actually eat it. Do you want to try it?
Oh. Beautiful.
It's so sour.
It's very kata, as they say in Punjabi. Very kata.
Okay. Citric acid, bicarbonate of soda,
Yep.
baking soda, Epsom salt.
Oh, where did you get that from?
Magnesium sulfate.
Ah,
Mr Yazdan, as usual.
okay.
A corn starch, coconut oil,
Okay.
and water. So how you actually have the each portion, so there is a ratio. The
Okay.
ratio is whatever your bicarbonate of soda is, the others are half. You
Okay.
can use almond oil as well, but the reason I went for that is because it's cheaper.
Oh, you haven't changed, Mr Yazdan. Still using cheap stuff. Always.
Why is it good quality? Why would I spend a lot of money?
Hope so. Do you know you can use that for your hair? It's really good for your hair.
Yes, I will.
Head
After
massage
this.
after this?
Leftover.
Okay. Leftover. Okay.
And one or two, sorry, so that is actually 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. That's
Okay.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
You can have half of this amount, depending how many
Right.
bath bomb you want to make.
Okay.
Okay, so, and I have a cup obviously to mixing them,
Yep.
sorry, the bowl for mixing them. And these are, I'm going to cut them in half. I'm using them as a mold.
Mm-hmm.
So molding the
Yep.
bath bomb. Plastic bowl. Okay, so start by all these dry ones, mix them all together, please.
All of them?
All of them, please.
I'm sure we did this before, Mr Yazdan, together. In the
Yeah,
good old
that's
days,
the
back in the day.
Improved way, all of them.
Okay. Oh. Ah. So we tied up behind us?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll take that.
And these two as well? No.
No, you keep mixing those. I need to get the different.
Just keep mixing. This looks as if I'm going to make chapatis. Are you sure this isn't a chapati mix that you want me to make you chapatis to feed you?
Right, while you are mixing them, I'm
Okay.
going to add the oil and water
Okay.
together.
This is so like a chapati mix. Oil and water, that's what you do.
Obviously,
Remember?
oil and water don't mix together, obviously. Right,
Okay, sorry.
that is ready now. We can start adding our liquids,
Okay.
oil and water to it. I am not adding food coloring yet because I want to separate them and have 3 different colors.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add this, but be careful. You have to add it with slowly, otherwise it will start fizzing.
Yep.
Citric acid and bicarbonate soda would fizz up carbon dioxide. So,
Oh, it is fizzing away. So that's the carbon dioxide coming off.
oh yeah, it shouldn't.
Beautiful. See, look, proper scientist using his hands, and I'm using the stirrer. And boys and girls, use a stirrer. Do not use your hands in case there's any allergies, in case you're sensitive to
There
anything.
is no allergy.
Just in case, you know, everyone's got some kind of allergy, apart from you.
Sorry.
It looks like snow.
next step is to separate them. So we have.
Okay, oh good, I'm just going to sit here. Any tea? Anyone got any tea? Cup of tea would be nice.
So
Okay.
here, 3 different colors.
Yep.
So add a few drops of each.
Okay.
By the way, food coloring won't stain on your body. So people think that, oh, it's gonna go on my body, gonna have a bath. No.
That's a good
few
point.
drops, yeah. You like them, Auntie?
Oh, beautiful colours. I don't know,
So-
what's your favourite?
My favorite, I think I love all of them.
Same. That's
I
looks
think
like
my favorite
raspberry.
is the one that you made. That's my favorite.
Oh. Okay, you're
So
still
the-
in the bad mood.
So plastic balls, I cut them half.
Okay. Right, now if children are doing this, obviously you will need an adult, dear children, to do the cutting. Use scissors, or if you're going to use a knife or scissors, make sure an adult knows.
So
Okay.
you might have some baking mold
Yep.
at home,
No.
or you can buy them.
Okay.
When you make these bath bombs, you can leave them 24 hours to dry, or if you are in a hurry and you're rushing to make them very quickly, you can leave them in the freezer for 45 minutes
Oh,
and we'll
okay.
be ready
To eat?
to ready to eat.
They look a bit delicious, you know, like
They do.
macaroons.
Yes.
Can't believe my fingers went all blue. Mr Yazdan, look, we're supposed to go red for Valentine's. No? Man, this one's heavy.
It's a blue mood.
Oh.
Oh, even when your bathrooms are ready, you can for them to keep them and last longer.
Yeah.
Wrap them around the cling film.
Ah.
That's the best way. You feel much happier now.
I do. You're back in my heart. Thank you so much, Mr Yazdan.
So this part is not dry yet. Should we just try this?
Wow.
Yay, it
That is
works.
cool. Okay, I forgive you for everything. Since it's Valentine's Day, forgive you for everything. Let's be friends again.
I hope you enjoyed and learned how to make a bath bombs. Don't forget, just
Have a nice Valentine's Day.
yeah, love is in the air.
Love is in the air. Say happy Valentine's Day to your family, friends, your dog, your goldfish. Love is in the air.
No comment. All right, see you next video. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.